Hi, it's Richard Constable here. Today I'm going to be giving you 5 easy steps to learning the E Minor Pentatonic Scale. It's a great scale, you can use it in tons of different songs. Let's jump into it. Okay, so number 1 is the first octave of the E minor blues scale. You start on the open 6th string right at the bottom, and then you go to the G, which is the 3rd fret of the E string. Then you go to the 5th string, which is the A, and then 2nd fret of the 5th string, which is the B, and then the D string, which is the 4th string, and finish back on the E of the D string, which is the 2nd fret. So that is our first octave of the scale. So it's really good to practice it going down and up as well. So back to front. Finish with the E minor chord if you like, or if you've seen my previous video, just the top 3 strings, the E minor top 3 strings. Okay, number 2 is the 2nd octave. Okay, so we finished on our 2nd fret of the D string, which is the 4th string, which is an E note, and then we work our way up to the top E here, which is the lowest string. Okay, so 2nd fret, 4th string, which is our E. Then our G again. Can you see we've got a repeat of the pattern? So our 3rd fret, E string, 6th string was a G. Now we're playing open 3rd string, which is also a G. Then we have our A note, which is 2nd fret of the G string. Our open B string, which is the 2nd string. Then our 3rd fret, which is our D, again repeat, E string, which is our top string. So can you see how it resolves on that E? So we're going to step it up a bit. We're going to now add some extra notes in to give it more of a bluesy feel. So let's do the first octave. So open 6th string, E, then our G, 3rd fret, 5th string open, which is our A, then the A sharp, then the B, 2nd fret of the 5th string, then we have our open 4th string D, and finish on the E. So let's do that backwards. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now we're going to be doing the blues version of the E minor pentatonic in the 2nd octave, okay? So we start on our 2nd fret of the 4th string, which is our E. So we've got our E, then we've got our G, open 3rd string. Then we've got the 2nd fret, which is the A. Now we need to add the A sharp, which is 1 fret up. So 3rd fret of the 3rd string, just like that. Then we have our B, open 2nd string, D, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and then finish on the E, which is the open 1st string. Okay. Okay, so we start on our open E string at the top, then we go to our D, which is our 3rd string. We work our way down the scale. So thanks for watching today. This has been Rich C Guitar with some great little licks and the E minor pentatonic scale with some blues variations. If you like the video, please subscribe below and like the video as well and share to all your friends. Okay, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.